Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to TensorFlow tutorials on GCP, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing to TensorFlow tutorials on Google Cloud Platform, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type console.cloud.google.com and press enter. Sign in to your Google Cloud account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Google Cloud Console dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Marketplace. In the Marketplace search bar, type TensorFlow tutorials and press enter. Browse through the search results until you find the TensorFlow tutorials package. Click on the package to view its details. On the package details page, review the information provided about the tutorials. A subscription window will appear. Review the terms of service. If you agree to the terms, check the acceptance box and click Continue. You will then be prompted to select your project. Choose the appropriate project from the drop-down menu. After selecting the project, click Select. Your subscription request will be Once confirmed, you can access the tutorials directly from the Marketplace or your project dashboard. Go back to the Google Cloud Console dashboard to locate your project. Click on the project name to open its details. In the navigation menu, look for Compute Engine or any relevant service to start using TensorFlow. Explore the resources available through the tutorials to enhance your understanding and skills. Make sure to check for any additional documentation or support materials linked within the tutorial resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.